Welcome back. Today, we're talking to the founders, product folks, and decision makers listening in. When does it actually make sense to invest in AI agents?
This is where a lot of hype meets reality, so let's get into it. The first real decision is build versus buy. Off-the-shelf agent products can get you running in days, but they're generally less customizable. Building your own gives full control, but requires real engineering investment and ongoing maintenance.
So, how does a company decide which way to go?
Generally, if the task is common across many businesses, like customer support, buying makes sense. If it touches your unique competitive advantage, like a proprietary workflow, building in-house is usually worth it.
Let's talk money. What should companies actually budget for?
Three main cost buckets: token costs from running the model, engineering time to build and maintain the system, and the ongoing cost of monitoring and fixing failures. Latency also matters. A slow agent can hurt user experience even if it's accurate.
So it's not just the AI is free now, just plug it in.
Far from it. The smartest teams treat this like any infrastructure investment. They measure cost per completed task against the cost of doing it the old way, and only scale up once the numbers actually make sense.
We're seeing real traction in developer tools. Coding agents are probably the most commercially proven category right now. Customer support is close behind. Legal and healthcare are moving more cautiously because the cost of a mistake is higher, and there's more regulation involved.
Makes sense. You don't want an agent making a judgment call on a medical diagnosis without serious oversight.
Exactly, which is why in those industries, agents tend to assist a human expert rather than act fully autonomously, at least for now.
So build versus buy, watch your real costs, and match the level of autonomy to how much a mistake would actually cost you.
Next episode, we go into the risks and ethics side of all this, because it's not all upside.
This has been Decoding AI, Episode 5. See you next time. Thank you.